First ranked match of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. What the heck is this? Round one. Dude. What are you playing? Odd Eyes. It's gotta be Odd Eyes, yeah. Odd Eyes. It's pendulums. Dark Rebellion Dragon. What the fuck? What the heck does this card do? What in the heck? That's a tough one. Whoa. Oh. Pop. Dang, I would need to... Okay. Go like this first. Unizombie. Activate effect. First effect. Target, increase the level. And discard a card. Necroworld Banshee. And I will banish Necroworld Banshee. Let's do rings. Flawless victory. Perfect. What? Let's go round 2. Round 2. Do it. Oh, he's making me go first. He sighted in the hand traps. Okay. Hand trap. Let's go, hand trap. Unizombie. Oh, shit. Why would I do that? Second effect. Target himself. Increase a level. Send to the graveyard. Necroworld Banshee. Activate Necroworld Banshee. Banish. To activate Zombie World from the deck. Shit. Turn and go. Do I want to do that? Nah. Dragon Shrine. Okay. You couldn't do another dragon because Zombie World, everything's a zombie. Is my card rarity's not here? What the hell? Oh fuck! Who was this? Black Fang Magician. Purple Poison Magician. Wisdom Eye Magician. Okay. We destroy this card and if you do place one. Uh-oh. Is it 8? Oh, this is an 8. Perform Foul Celestial Magician. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's got 3 level 4s here. Utopia! Oh yeah, good thing I didn't do this one. If I did this, I would have been locked. Oh. Supreme King Dragon Clear Wing. What? Destroy all face-up monster your opponent controls. Ouch. Okay. It's gonna try to battle. What? Okay. You've activated my quick play spell card. Super volley. YGO Shogun. Drago Necro, Nether Soul Dragon. End phase. What does this card do? Maybe it's effect. End phase. Scarlet. Eldritch. Oh, come on. Doodle. It's over. Normal summon. Unizombie. Activate its effect. Target himself. Increase the level. Send to the graveyard. Glow Up Bloom. Glow Up Bloom's effect. Add level 5 or higher zombie, Doom King. But since I have zombie world on the field, I get the special summon it instead. Let's do it. So I was gonna kill him with his own monster here. I was gonna Ice Dragon's Prison and kill him with Supreme King Dragon Clearwing. He could attack, right? It's just effects is negated. Yeah. Let's do it. Flawless victory. Perfect. So we were at, let me check here. I think it was 21. Yeah, 1121, 1141. We're at 120. Oh, 121. Oh my god. I thought you had to be in silver to gain one, but no, 121. That's all for tonight, guys. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.